Fix missing chat history sync now messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just open up your messenger application on your device and then tap on the settings icon. After tapping on the settings icon, you just need to scroll down and then tap on privacy and safety over here. Now, so tap on privacy and safety, you need to tap on end-to-end encrypted chats, which is available over here. After that, tap on message storage, and under message storage you can also reset the pin if you want. If not, you can let it be. Then you can see the option of turn off secure storage, so just turn on that, and any new end-to-end encrypted messages won't be backed up remotely. So just tap on continue, and you can delete the secure storage as well if you want, but if you do not, then it's fine as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.